Let me show you how I edit my long videos into shorts and caption it all within the TikTok app. Okay, now we are on TikTok. For the purpose of this lesson, I will just use the plus sign to bring in the video. Otherwise, I will go to Creator Search Inside to get my keywords and then post the video with it, okay? But let's use the plus sign to keep it simple. So I'll go to my video area, video, and let's bring this one that is 14 minutes about, okay?
This particular gist is super interesting.
Sorry, I had to turn down the volume so that you can hear me, okay? Now you see this button just below the settings button. Click on it. By the way, see that this video is in a landscape mode, okay? Now, the first thing I will do, I already know the minute where I want to cut the video from, so, but I will confirm by the time I get there. I think it's about 3 minutes, so let me get there. I think I passed it already. Yeah, that should be somewhere around here. I will increase the volume now to be sure.
Women like romance. And listen, romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need too much skill. Men, I'll give you a quick tip what romance is. Romance is simply doing the number.
Okay, so that's around the place, okay? So that's the 3 minutes, 6 seconds. So I'll keep it here, okay? And I'll click on the video. Then you see this split icon by the left. Click on it. Then I'll delete this beginning part. So it has brought me here. Let me play it again.
Women like romance. And listen, romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need too much skill. Men, I'll give you a quick tip what romance is.
So I'll pause it here for now, okay? Then I will split again. And I'll then delete the other part. Now we are left with this. What do? I can increase this. I hold my two thumb fingers at the middle and then stretch it, okay? So I'll play it to be sure it covers.
Women like romance. And listen, romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need too much skill. Men, I'll give you a quick tip what romance is.
Okay, let's hold it here, okay? Now, the next thing I will do is to click the back arrow to return to this place.
Women like romance.
Now, what I want to do now, I could as well do it in the previous area where we found ourselves, okay? But it's easier doing it this way. So I will come here, this arrow down here, I'll click on it. And I want to see caption. Can you see it? Caption. Click on it. Now it's running the text caption, okay? After which I will go through it. Now it's not giving me anything. You know why? It couldn't dictate the language. So I'll hit on dictate language. And then let me select British English. It's running the text caption again. It's done now. So look at what we have here. It said, let me play it so you see. Sorry, the volume is down.
Romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need too much skill. Men, I'll give you a quick tip what romance is.
Okay, so the next thing I will do is to come to style. You can see it under here. Click on it. And I'll try to find the style that I want. I think I love this one. Let me check it out.
I'll give you a quick tip what romance is.
So you can choose any one that you want. Okay? Okay, let me choose this one. I think this is better.
I'll give you a quick tip what romance is.
Okay, I bring it up a bit. And then close here. So let's play it again, or let's return to where we were before. Take it back one more step.
Women like romance.
Can you see?
And listen, romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need too much skill. Men, I'll give you a quick tip what romance is. Women like romance.
So that's it. Okay. So
and listen, romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need too much skill. Men, I'll give you a quick tip what romance is.
Now, if I want to download it to my device, okay, I'll just click this down arrow here. And I'll scroll up to see here it says save, okay? But sometimes when you do it this way, it will save it with watermark, okay? So what you might do is to go ahead and post it, then download it, okay? Or download it while posting it. What I'll do is just click on next. And so when you come here, get to more options, you will see those place that says save post without watermark, okay? You turn it on, and then let me return and see if I can save it without watermark now. So you see, it says save with watermark, post to save without watermark. Okay, so when I click on this second one, it will post it and automatically it download to my device so I could use it anyway. So let me try that now. Just a moment, it's uploading. So it's done uploading now. Okay, so if we go to our video area, you'll see it here. Let me play it here so you see it.
Romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need.
So that's it. Now let's go to my device, the gallery area, and see whether it downloaded. Now can you see the video here without watermark?
Men like romance. And listen, romance is not expensive. Romance doesn't need too much skill. Man, I'll give you a quick tip what romance is.
So that's how easy it is to create shorts from your long videos within the TikTok app. If you like this video and want me to create more like this, do share and follow this page for more.